The ultimate guide to leather sofa cleaning. Today we're going to be talking about something that many of us have in our homes, leather sofas. Leather sofas are a stylish and durable addition to any living room, but they also require specific care to keep them looking their best. In this video, we'll be discussing the ultimate guide to leather sofa cleaning. 1. Vacuum regularly. The first step in keeping your leather sofa clean is to vacuum it regularly. Use a soft brush attachment to gently remove any dust or debris from the surface of the leather. 2. Use a leather cleaner. When it comes to cleaning your leather sofa, it's important to use a cleaner specifically designed for leather. These cleaners will be gentle on your leather while still effectively removing any dirt or stains. 3. Avoid water. Leather and water don't mix well, so it's important to avoid using water to clean your leather sofa. Instead, use a damp cloth with a leather cleaner to gently remove any stains or spills. 4. Condition the leather. Leather can dry out over time, which can lead to cracking and other damage. To prevent this, it's important to regularly condition your leather sofa. Use a leather conditioner to moisturize and protect your leather. 5. Address stains immediately. If you spill something on your leather sofa, it's important to address the stain immediately. Use a clean cloth to blot up any excess liquid. Then use a leather cleaner to remove the stain. Conclusion: taking care of your leather sofa requires specific steps and products to ensure it stays looking its best. From vacuuming regularly to using a leather cleaner and conditioner, there are many ways to keep your leather sofa clean and well-maintained. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.